Hello and welcome to Planty Jen's Tiny Landscapes. I'm Jen, your planty auntie. I worked at Crest Hardware and Urban Garden Center here in Brooklyn for 6 years, and I've been a gardener for over 20 years. In that time, I made a lot of mistakes. What I'd like to do with this video series is help you learn from my mistakes. First, we'll tackle houseplant care basics. Think of it as Plant Care 101. Water, light, soil, fertilizing, repotting, pests, propagation, and finally, pruning, staking, and styling your plants. You know, answering all the questions I used to get asked at the garden center. Why tiny landscapes? Well, because lots of people live in small spaces, and that shouldn't keep you from greening it up. I recently moved to a smaller apartment, used to have 4 south-facing windows, now I have 2. So I want to show you how you can have plants in the tiniest and darkest of spaces. 2 words, grow lights. I also lost my garden, so I had to downsize to a couple of potted perennials out front and a couple of bonsai. But hey, I've still got them. And I bet if you ask really nicely and take really good care of them, your landlord wouldn't be opposed to a little plant-based building beautification either. When I worked at the Greenhouse and Garden Center, my specialties were terrariums and bonsai. You know, more tiny landscapes. I'll be showing you my process for making and styling them, and local folks will even be able to buy the plants from the videos. Sorry, out-of-towners, but I still haven't figured out a way to ship a finished terrarium. I will also offer plant consultations in person if you're in North Brooklyn, or via video chat if you're further away, or if you're an introvert. Even if you're on the other side of the planet, as long as we can figure out a time when we're both awake. Look, I don't know everything about plants. No one does, not even the most educated botanist. Looking at you, Carl. But the most important thing is to know what questions to ask. My mission is to share my knowledge of the right questions with you and to make some cool stuff too. I've even got a theme song, so stay tuned. If you like what you're hearing, please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified when I release a new video. You can also find me on Instagram at planty.jen, where I'll be sharing photos and tips as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon.
If your plants look sad and you lost all hope, tried everything, you're at the end of your rope. Should you throw them out into the street? Nope, just ask Planty Jen. If you want to be a planty acolyte, learn the tips and tricks to keep them growing right. Water, fertilizer, and the right amount of light, just ask Planty Jen.